From today we are diving into the world of data analysis with a powerful library called Pandas. If you are looking to manipulate, clean and analyze data efficiently, you are in the right place. In this video we will cover what Pandas is, why it is such a crucial tool for data analysts and data scientists, and how can you start using it. Things are going to get much more interesting as we will be working on real world datasets, so make sure you don't miss any videos of this series. So let's first start with the basic question, what is Pandas? Pandas is an open source Python library that provides high performance, easy to use data structures and data analysis tools. It's built on top of the NumPy library and offers two primary data structures, series and data frames. Series is a one-dimensional labeled array similar to the column in a spreadsheet. Data frame is a two-dimensional label structure similar to a table in a spreadsheet. And as a data analyst or data scientist, we will be working a lot with Pandas data structures to manipulate and analyze the data. But that's not all, let's see why Pandas is so much useful in working with datasets. So here are a few things that you can do using Pandas. Number 1. Data cleaning. Pandas makes it easy to handle missing data, duplicate entries and inconsistent formatting. Data visualization. Pandas helps in visualizing the data in terms of graphs and charts. Data analysis provides a powerful method for grouping, filtering and aggregating the data. Now that we know all about Pandas, let's see how we can start using it. So let's first try to install Pandas. And to install Pandas we will write pip install Pandas. And as I have already installed it, it will show me requirement already satisfied. Now we will import Pandas as PD. Let's also import NumPy. Now I will create an array. And now if I check the type of the array, it shows the NumPy ND array. So let's try to create a series. I will write pd.series, put my array inside it, and you can see we have created a series with the index on the left side and values on the right side. I will save it into a variable named s1. So this is our series. If I want to change the data type, I will write dtype is equal to float, and now all the values has been changed to float. If I do it int, every value is an integer. And if I write s1 dot, I can see a lot of functions to manipulate my data. We will be seeing all these functions in our upcoming videos while working with real world datasets. Let's try to create a data frame. So before that we will create a dictionary. Brands as first key. Pass a list with some brands, Audi, BMW, Ford and Nissan. And another key would be doors and the respective doors of the cars. So let's check our dictionary. Now I will write pd.dataframe and pass this dictionary. I can get a tabular structure. I will save it in a variable named df. Now if I check df, this is nothing but our data frame with brands and doors. If I want to add another column, let's add wheels. I'll write df square bracket wheels, pass an array with number of wheels for each brand, that is 4. And now if I check my df, I can see we have successfully added a column. And here in this tabular structure we have the rows and columns which makes up our data frame. Now that was an introduction to Pandas in Python. We have covered what Pandas is, why it is a crucial tool for data analysis, and how to get started using it. Stay tuned to get more deeper into it, and if you haven't yet mastered NumPy, the videos and playlists are here on the screen. Make sure you watch it before going ahead with Pandas. Till then, keep learning and thanks for watching.